So I thought I'd pull up the flooring to run the ground wire for the engine. Turns out that's not the case because there's nothing under the flooring, but it gives me a good opportunity to clean this down and wipe it out. And what I found under there was a massive amount of lollipop sticks. I don't know, the previous owner, like maybe the original owner, must have absolutely loved lollipops. I found like 6 of them. Anywho, I'm gonna take a bunch of stuff to the trash and start cleaning. I've also torn out a bunch more wires, probably another 100 feet or so of wires from what I did yesterday. I think I'm at a standstill at the moment for it. I'll keep at it over the next until I get them all out. I guess I'll just keep at it. But the new electronics are super easy to run wires, and it's realistically it's just one wire and they just all piggyback together. So I'm excited about that. I get to clean everything up. Okay, I think I just made my first rookie boat mistake. Jib sheets, the lines that run to the jib, or in my case the Genoa, or Genoa, however you want to say it. I got them too short. I even took in the old line and measured the old line there through their system, their pulley system that measures it, and I measured the new line from that exact same thing, and they're too short. I'm literally probably 15 feet too short. Maybe not 15, but 10 feet too short. But I'm gonna use them, see how they are. I still have the old ones. I can always throw those back on if I need it. Okay, boat project number 752, or 7. And I just can't finish a boat project. I replaced the water pump, as you guys saw here, with the Seaflow, and the thing works awesome. And I realized that my smell that I'm getting in the boat is actually from my macerator that's leaking, which is absolutely disgusting. The macerator is the thing that basically chops up your poo when you're 3 miles offshore and allows you to dump offshore. And for that to be leaking is it's just horrible. So I think I'm gonna replace that. Although I don't really want to do that because it smells so bad and I'm probably gonna puke. All right, back to West Marine. I feel like this thing is backwards. Poo blender. Poo blender valve. I need some gloves. Alright, let's clip these wires first. Okay, poo blender is officially through hole closed. If this was up, it would be open. Seems like a horrible idea. Blender from the base. So the goal is going to be pull this off, turn it vertically, throw it into the bin. Put a couple beers on there. This is probably a bad idea. Check this one. Yeah. Oh, yuck. Oh. 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 That was horrible. That is definitely the smell. All right, on for some new tubes. At least some, maybe not all of them, but some new tubes. God, I'm gonna have to sanitize everything. The marina had a heat gun. Let's hope to God this works through my plugs here, because I don't have an extension cord. So I'm sure they have one of those too, but let's just hope this works. Yes! Oh, hang on. I need my flashlight. On the brim. Let's heat this sucker up. All right, I hope I got all that on film. That was so disgusting, and I literally about puked at least two, if not three times. You can definitely hear it on film. It was like, yeah, a horrible. But actually, I think that already helped the smell. All right, one last job to see if I can get the drainage for the sink and the head working, and then I'm done. I just need to clean up and then provision and Friday leave. Okay, I might be the happiest guy. It is the day before I leave for the weekend, or longer, I don't really know, but last night I emptied the bilge, I fixed the water leak, and I did the macerator, but the smell is gone today and the bilge is still basically dry. So I am beyond elated, which means I do not have a leak in my boat, which I thought I did. And everything's golden. Time to clean up, organize, and prepare for tomorrow. Okay, starting the outboard for the first time. Maybe. Alright, let's test this sucker out. Woohoo! Woohoo! Works.
Something kinda crazy. Drive all night with you right next to me. Feel the pounding of your heartbeat. When we get up high, won't look down and won't look back. Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my hand. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my hand. I wanna go make pictures look like postcards. I wanna go take the train and watch you sleep right in my arms. I wanna go where we don't know where we are. Climb something high, don't look down and don't look back.
Happy I'm moving.
Yeah, when I die, I wanna know I live like that. I wanna run in wide spaces, fly like the wind in high places, rushing like water on my face, with your hand in my hand. Ooh, I wanna dance into the morning, kiss you like you never been kissed before me. I would go anywhere you wanna go, with your hand in my hand. Anywhere you wanna go. So many things in this world I wanna do, and when I
Deal with
die,
that.
I wanna know you
Is it not playing? Or am I too fat? Maybe my motor's too heavy. Wait, there it goes. There it goes. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Oh, shit. Alright. That's enough. I need to put more weight up front. It like, yeah. Uh-oh. It just died on me. All right. Let's get this sucker restarted. Woo.